Hello friends, I am Dr. Prashant Sharma and we are watching MEDICO'S Hub. This is my fourth lecture on facial cranial nerve and I am going to discuss the third part or the third segment of the facial cranial nerve, which is known as labyrinthine segment. Now, where is labyrinthine segment? Labyrinth means internal ear. Now, this was the second segment which was passing through the internal auditory meatus. This is the part of petrous part of temporal bone. Now, this fundus open basically in a cavity which is lodging the internal ear. This is internal ear. This is the cavity of internal ear which is having cochlea here, vestibule and saccule, and the semicircular canals are lodged here. So this facial cranial nerve passes anterosuperiorly in between the cochlea and the vestibular apparatus along with the nervus intermedius to reach the geniculate ganglia. In this geniculate ganglia, these two nerves, that is nervus intermedius and the facial cranial nerve, merge. This geniculate ganglia gives three branches: greater petrosal nerve, superficial petrosal nerve, or this geniculate ganglia gives three branches: greater petrosal nerve, external petrosal nerve, and lesser petrosal nerve. This is geniculate ganglia. Now here, this is the lateral view of the middle ear. This is the middle ear, the cavity of middle ear, that is tympanic cavity. So we are observing the temporal bone from lateral side. This is trigeminal cranial nerve, that is fifth one. This is the upper branch, that is ophthalmic, maxillary, and this one is mandibularis. This is the petrous part of the temporal bone. Now, the facial cranial nerve enters somewhere from here, that is the posterior cranial fossa, and the porus osticus will be on the medial surface of this petrous temporal bone. Then it will run in the internal auditory canal, and the cavity is known as labyrinthine cavity, and the part of facial cranial nerve which passes through the labyrinthine cavity is known as labyrinthine portion. It is the shortest segment and it may be having a measurement of 3 to 4 millimeter only, and after traveling laterally, superolaterally, it reaches a ganglia, that is geniculate ganglia. This is geniculate ganglia, and here arrives the facial cranial nerve along with nervus intermedius, which fuses or merges with the facial nerve in the ganglia. Now this ganglia gives rise to three nerves. It gives three branches. This one is greater petrosal nerve. This one is external petrosal nerve, and this one is lesser petrosal nerve. So this is the third segment of the facial cranial nerve, which is also known as labyrinthine segment. It starts with the fundus, that is end of external auditory canal, and ends at the geniculate ganglia. Thanks for watching this video. In the next lecture, I'll discuss the fourth segment of the facial cranial nerve. Hit the like button, share and subscribe our channel to get the latest updates and notifications.